Have you ever wondered why standard productivity hacks work wonders for some individuals, while leaving others completely exhausted and overwhelmed? Many people struggle daily with focus, trying to cross important items off their lists, yet failing to gain any real traction because something is holding them back. The breakthrough solution is not forcing yourself into a rigid, one-size-fits-all routine, but rather understanding your unique cognitive wiring and dominant brain type. By consciously aligning your daily productivity techniques with your inherent psychological traits, you can dramatically maximize your personal and professional effectiveness, fulfillment, and overall well-being. To help you master this transformation, experts categorize human cognitive styles into a comprehensive framework known by the acronym CODE. Let us explore what each animal type represents and how you can tailor specific strategies to supercharge your daily performance and reach your goals. The letter C stands for Cheetahs, who are fast-acting individuals capable of adapting rapidly in high-pressure, fast-paced environments backed by strong intuition. If you resonate with this profile, you thrive on quick accomplishments and short bursts of intense energy rather than long, monotonous sessions. To optimize your workflow, your first strategy is task chunking. Extensive psychological studies show that breaking complex tasks into smaller, manageable parts significantly enhances focus and completion rates, which is particularly effective for cheetahs who thrive on quick wins. Secondly, you should leverage high-energy stimuli, such as fast-paced music or dynamic ambient sounds, to stimulate rapid work that matches your energetic nature. Finally, implementing strict time constraints can trigger a powerful and productive adrenaline rush. Since cheetahs love a clear target and perform exceptionally well under pressure, sprinting toward a tight deadline will unlock your peak potential and keep procrastination completely at bay. Moving on to the letter O, which represents the owls. Owls are analytical, methodical individuals who possess a deep love for data, logic, and comprehensive information. If your brain functions this way, your productivity relies heavily on intellectual depth and rigorous precision. The first key strategy for owls is engaging in uninterrupted deep work sessions. Popularized by prominent productivity thinkers, deep work involves eliminating all external distractions to allow for intensive focus on complex tasks, capitalizing on the owl's love for depth in work. The second strategy is adopting advanced planning systems. Utilizing detailed planning methodologies helps owls manage important information, intricate details, and long-term organization very effectively. The third strategy is setting up regular review sessions. Establishing periodic review points allows owls to analytically assess their progress, adjust strategies meticulously, and ensure their daily efforts remain aligned with their overarching goals and objectives. Next, the letter D stands for Dolphins, who represent the creative visionaries and imaginative thinkers of the world. Dolphins possess an exceptional talent for pattern recognition and conceptualizing life, business, and brand visions that others cannot yet see. For dolphins, traditional rigid schedules can completely suffocate productivity, making flexible scheduling your absolute best ally. You benefit immensely from working during your peak creative times by respecting your ultradian rhythms, the natural 90 to 120-minute cycles during which human cognitive alertness peaks. Furthermore, dolphins should utilize dedicated creative tools, such as advanced brainstorming software and interactive applications, to organize abstract concepts and spur continuous creative flow. Finally, engaging in collaborative platforms that encourage teamwork provides the vital external stimuli necessary to innovate, think outside the box, and act as creative partners to drive high-level output. Finally, the letter E stands for elephants, whose ultimate superpowers are high levels of empathy, deep compassion, and strong interpersonal skills. Elephants act as natural community builders who hold teams together through powerful cooperation. To maximize productivity as an elephant, your first strategy is utilizing team-based project management tools to stay constantly connected and cooperate seamlessly with colleagues. The second strategy is developing emotional intelligence training. Because emotional intelligence is entirely learnable, enhancing your EQ directly amplifies your natural ability to manage and lead teams, positively impacting collective productivity. The third strategy involves integrating mindfulness practices. Because empathetic individuals absorb a significant amount of emotional labor and stress from their surroundings. Regular mindfulness helps prevent burnout and maintains a steady stream of sustainable productivity. It is vital to remember that burnout often occurs not because you are doing too much work, but because you are doing too little of the things that make you come alive and nurture your mind, body, and spirit. Ultimately, mastering productivity is deeply intertwined with profound self-awareness. As reflected in timeless philosophical wisdom, the lifelong journey of personal growth requires both the curiosity to know yourself, exploring your core values, beliefs, identity, and what you stand for, and the courage to be yourself despite external expectations or the fear of making mistakes. By exploring introspection, journaling, or psychological assessments, you gain invaluable data about how your mind operates. Once you leverage this knowledge to harmonize your daily habits with your inherent psychological blueprint, you will transform not only your professional efficiency, but your overall satisfaction, fulfillment, and lifelong well-being. Like and subscribe for more cognitive insights. Have a nice day.